Hi, and thank you for watching Avery Home Search. This is Beth from Avery Home Search, and today I will be participating in a fun collab hosted by Penny. Her channel is called At Penny's Place, and we do have some rules to follow. One of the things we had to do is make sure we were subscribed to her channel, and we had to make sure we used hashtag September Tier Tray 2020. We are not supposed to be doing any DIYs in this particular video for the collab, so you won't see any today, but you will see some in my upcoming video, so be patient for that. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and make sure you check out Penny's channel at Penny's Place. And we also had to make sure we kept our video under 10 minutes to participate. So I'm showing you a look at my coffee bar for the month of August. I love the items, so I'm keeping them for September. They're all fall themed. And also, I want to throw in there, make sure you go over and check out the playlist after you're done with this video. So I'm loving these cups that I got from Kohls. They're gold trim, and I am definitely keeping these in this particular open collab. I want you to see what I use and how I transformed or incorporated a tiered tray look into the coffee bar station. So let's go ahead and take a look now. Alright guys, this is how I incorporated my tiered tray look. And I'm going to go through and let you know where I got the items in case you're curious. Now you know I love Kohls. I actually got these mugs from Kohls. They're actually gold trim. It's supposed to be real gold, and you're not supposed to put them in the dishwasher. So I got them with my Kohls cash. As you know, I shop for deals. And let me show you exactly how they look. They're so pretty. They're marble look texture. They were about $50. So I was happy to get those with the Kohls cash. Now this pumpkin I got from Kirkland. I got it on a fall sale as well, about 20% off. And this Coffee First sign is just a chalkboard I got from Dollar Tree, and I wrote Coffee First on it. The tiered tray itself came from Amazon, and I actually had some Amazon points that I redeemed it for. It was under $20. Cute little mini pumpkins and the Home Love and Gather sign came from Dollar Tree. I did a short mini Dollar Tree shopping haul, and I showed these little pumpkins. I displayed them. I'm just giving you a closer look at the pumpkin I got from Kirkland. It's got a metal leaf detail in it that is really beautiful. So I'm loving the fall, and I want to show you this floral, this sunflower. It came from Homegoods, and I really think it adds a nice color to this particular coffee bar. Now the last thing I want to show you is what it looked before. Let me know what you think looks best. I actually think I prefer the tiered tray look.